Adding a cold case radiator to your 78 to 87 GMG body is a great way to cool your ride. While other platforms moved to front-wheel drive, the 78 to 87 G-body stayed rear-wheel drive, making it popular within the enthusiast community. The combination of its anemic corporate smog-friendly small block and suspension layout have made this platform affordable and desirable for hot rodders and racers of all disciplines. Our radiators are direct fit for G-body applications from 78 to 87. We offer replacements or complete modules for small and big block cars, as well as LS swap applications, all featuring stock-looking stamped tanks and fully TIG-welded construction. Dual oversized cores which increase capacity and performance over factory radiators, and 16 fins per inch for maximum air circulation. Grand National rads include the factory correct oil cooler connections for a plug-and-play installation. These radiators are designed to work with the factory fan and shroud, or upgrade to our dual electric fan and shroud kit for the ultimate cooling package, all backed by a lifetime warranty. So for more information, check out coldcaseradiators.com or give us a call at 844-REAL-COLD to get your ride cold case cool today.